Paki-share po. Thank you for the likes. We'll start in a bit. Alright, mic check. We'll start. Ayan. Alright, here we go. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Another beautiful evening, beautiful day for PSEi. Congratulations sa mga invested in PSEi right now. PSEi is looking well, right? Let's share the screen. And PSEi closed at 6,809. That's 45 points up. Just 0.68. Understandable since medyo topish naman kasi si PSEi. We've been discussing this the past few days na ganito talaga. If ever ang market is kind of topish, usually it's either nagpo-pullback siya or nagko-consolidate, right? That's the natural movement of market. So, for those na hindi pa nakakalam about that, ganun po ang market. Good thing na it's consolidating. That means people are not cashing out. And another good fact is, look at this net foreign buying, even on a resistance level, we are at a net foreign buying. 29 million lang, but nonetheless, we are seeing na mas konti lang yung nagbebenta, mas marami po yung bumibili sa foreign investors. Why do I look at foreign investors? Because yun po isa sa mga indicators kasi natin if the market is gonna move or not. Why? Foreigners have lots of money. They can make the market move. Simple as that. Napakalaking portion po ng Philippine Stock Exchange, ang pera sa Stock Exchange, nasa foreign investors po. Which is good in a sense na yes, at least may nag-i-invest sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Also, sad in a sense na mas marami pang mas malaki pang portion ang nag-i-invest na foreigner kaysa Pinoy. Which is the sad side. Which is the purpose of Stocks Ed, which is the purpose of Financial Freedom 101. That's why we try to influence people to invest. Alright, welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Beautiful Tuesday evening po sa inyo lahat. Daily Grind is where if you're a newbie in stock market, gabi-gabi as long as may market, meron kayong mapagsumbungan, mapagtanungan. If you need guidance in your trading, this is the best program for you. Araw-araw po natin yan gagawin as much as possible. I can't promise this forever, but love doing this. So, welcome to the program. Yan. So, yan, PSEi kanina. Ano ba nangyari kay PSEi kanina? We talked about yesterday. Sabi sa inyo, delikado yon kasi pag habulin nyo, baka may ipit kayo. It opened at this price right here. Just filled the gap right there. Even went up na naman. And that's good. There is potential in this in day trading since the volatility is there. Diba? Kaya lang medyo let me open my Spotify. Change music muna tayo. I wanna listen on this computer. Sorry. Here we go. Ayan. Lakas. Teka lang Volume down. Pang background music lang yan, diba? Right, ang sinasabi ko sa inyo is, I don't like this kind of trades. Kahapon, I don't want you to get in this because mahirap. Especially if you're a newbie, you don't know what you're doing. Kahapon kasi at this point, manghuhula na lang tayo. Right? If ever if it goes up or down, kung papasukin nyo kaagad. At this point in time, you don't have any base. Wala kayong base. You don't have any support or whatsoever. So you don't have a basis for cut loss. If papasok ka dito, saan ang cut loss mo? Alright? Sabihin mo sa akin, previous support or pullback, bounce. Kung mag-bounce, support niyan dito. That's how far. Right? So basically wala kang trading plan during this time, and this is the negative 51% down to the support. Right? So wala kang trading plan. So there is no, at the very least para sa mga position trader dito, walang position trades dyan. But I'm not saying na walang opportunity dyan. Pwede yung umakyat at manalo ka. It's just that it's not a wise trade. But for day traders, this is very good. If marunong kayo mag-day trade, there is opportunity in this because there's volatility. It can move in a day, and it moved a lot within the day. Okay? Price range from the close yesterday nga, umabot na naman siya ng 47%. Another or almost ceiling performance for every Gotesco. Right? So, there's so much potential in this kanina for day trading. That wag kayo mainggit sa mga ganito, alright? If it's not your kind of trading, if hindi nyo naman mababantayin within the day, you don't have to say, sayang, hindi ko nasakyan kanina, kung sumakay ako, pwede ko sana ibenta. No, right? That's part of the learning you need to go through when it comes to trading, right? You are not gonna catch it all. Yes, pwede sila umakyat doon, pero wag ka mainggit. Kasi if you just have the trading plan, I've been telling you about my trading plan ever since. I even guide you in my trading plan. Kahit na umakyat sila doon, umakyat yun doon kay Ever, kumikita sila. Kumikita naman ako. My trading plan, nasa eToro nga, nasa international market nga lang ako. I'm already up 155. Kahapon negative pa to. So I'm also earning in my trades, in my own system, trading system. This is my trading system. Yes, meron opportunity dyan, but it's not my kind of trading. Hindi ako mainggit. Because I trust my own trading, and I trust that I will be earning in my trading. Diba? So, yeah. Taka lang ha. So, yeah, this is the position yesterday. I even bought some assets yesterday. Diba? But yeah, we're already up $155. Stats po natin ngayon for June is we're already up 3.06%. For the year, I'm already up 16%, which is way above my goal already. My goal annually really is around 12%, pero ang gusto ko talaga is I want to beat Nasdaq's performance, right? I have 99 copiers. Alright, that's cool. Right? But anyways, yun. If you wanna copy me in eToro, you can definitely copy me. But I've been very transparent with you guys sa mga positions ko. I even tell you why I am opening a position for a certain asset whenever I open something. So, yeah, if you like my kind of trading, you can copy me in eToro if ever nasa eToro na kayo. So, yeah, I invite you to copy me. Anyways, yun. My point is, huwag kayo maiinggit dito. Please, huwag kayo maiinggit dyan. Right? Trust your trades, trust your trading system. This is not a good trading system, especially if you're a newbie. Okay? Right? So, huwag kayo maiinggit kung may nagsisiling. And the tendency kasi, you make bad decisions. In the end, may ipit kayo. In the end, you get frustrated. In the end, you quit. Sad. Right? That's how so many people quit in the stock market, and ang dami na nilang sinasabi. Kasi sabi nito, na-hype ako, nag-guru na ito, sabi niya, ganito, ganyan. And then people will find excuses na kaagad, and then they quit because they get mad. That's the reality of it. Let me go to the comments really quick. Ayan. Jeric Lumusnero nga pala guys, pakishare tong video nito. Please share to your friends, to your walls, to your relatives. Tag them if you have to. Share this to your trading groups. Kung may mga trading groups po kayo, share this video to your trading groups para mga newbie doon, magabayan natin. Let's let them know that there's a program like this that can help them in the stock market journey. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pwede po bang humabol kay Ever? Pa-check na rin po si CDC. Maraming salamat. Actually, Ever is already overpriced, so I don't recommend kung pwede pa habulin si Ever. Wag na po. Right? We don't have a base right here, and this is a bearish signal right here. Laki ng sell-off. Right? CDC. Right, CDC. Sabi sa inyo kung breakout, di ba? pero nag-gap up kanina. So that's already okay. That's what would have been a buy for me already. So kakasimulan niya pa lang, good move right here for CDC. I would say that's still a buy. Let me open my chart layout really quick. Alright. Benedict, may gabi. Sir Idol, good evening po. Janelle, Daniel, sir, good evening. Mag-review ka din ng Forex. Sige. Mag-review tayo ng Forex in the future. Sige. We'll talk about Forex also in the future. Nasa Forex ako ngayon, pero yung bot yung nagtatrade sa akin for Forex. So technically, I'm already exposed in Forex. I don't really have to watch it anymore that much because yung bot na nagtatrade para sa akin para sa Forex. But anyways, yes, let's talk about Forex also. Actually, may ginagawa kaming Forex course sa inyo. Yung friend of mine who's been trading in Forex for quite a while already, very successful trader in Forex. Gumagawa kami ng course with them, right? Sponsored by XM, syempre. Right, Ishi Marimat, good evening, sir. Good evening po. Jay Aguilen, right, who's watching right now. Good evening. Alfredo Kisto, good evening. Magandang gabi, Franz Kevillas, Joe Castillo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Yung question ko po agabi regarding IMI, nag-breakout na, salamat po, ganda ng NFB today. O nga pala, si IMI, we covered IMI yesterday, sabi ko sa inyo, pag nag-bounce yan, actually, pwede nyo nang bilhin yan, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Pwede nyo nang bilhin yan pag nag-green na, and then there it is, IMI, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay IMI yesterday. Right, I would say yes, na-recommend ko to. Sabi ko sa inyo, buy. But man, guys, please, para hindi tayo madedo in the future, please take my comments as supplemental lang. In the end, it is your decision. I'm just saying, technically, okay siya. I could be wrong, right? Kasi baka may magalit sa atin pag naipit. Alright. But yeah, congratulations. Sabi natin kaya may yesterday, pasukin nyo na. You got it, man. That is a 9.77 climb. Galing. And I think kakasimula pa lang ng trend na yan. So, what a buy right there. What a catch. Congratulations. Ganda rin po ng NFB today. Mustahin nga natin si NFB. NFB. Net foreign buying niya. Sorry. 7.23M. Alright, that's good. Pwede nyo pong makita ang historical na net foreign buyings niya. There is an indicator that says net foreign. Right? So, click on it. Looking at it, it's the first time na net foreign buying siya. Ang galing mag-technical analysis ng mga foreign investors, no? Sumabay sa atin di ba? Baka nanood rin ng daily grind at pumasok din. But yeah, we already saw the volume kick off for NFB, for IMI. That was the reason why I told you, ang ganda na ng volume, there is a breakout, hindi gaano nag-sustain, but on the next bounce, I think it will already go up. Pasukin nyo na. Congratulations sa IMI. Joe Castillo, pa-burger naman dyan. Congratulations, I think this is still gonna go up, man. Alexis Lopez, good evening, sir. Sa mga gustong humabol dito, wag na. Naiwan na kayo. Wag na. Next pullback na lang ang bounce. Alexis Lopez, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Ian Umbay, good evening. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening din po. Kel Mike, good evening. Alright, pa-check naman po si JFC, Pure Gold, MPI. Let's check out JFC. Gundo no, man. Problema ko yung JFC, late na lang na upside Meron tayong malakas na resistance dito. It's either if JFC will show us a good pullback since wala na siya momentum dito. I don't want you to catch it at the top. Nasa tuktok tayo ngayon. So, as much as possible, I want JFC to do a pullback. And next, this is the support right here. So, baka mag-support yan. That's where you enter. There is a resistance right here. So, at the very least, sa susunod na resistance niya pasukin. Pag nag-breakout si JFC. Right. Pure Gold. Okay naman si Pure Gold. Let's check it out. Alright, Pure Gold. Hirap si Pure Gold umakyat Pero definitely there is that short-term trend right there. Previous resistance is right here. Breakout, hindi nag-sustain. Pag nag-green to, I think that's okay already. Right? Mas maganda kasi support dito kasi may secondary resistance na naman dito sa taas. Yeah, pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be a good buy right there for Pure Gold. Overall, very good company right here. Okay. Pure Gold MPI. Kamusta natin si MPI? Alright, MPI. Resistance na tayo kay MPI, man. Ganda ng support ng MPI dito. Tsaka breakout. You should have seen this breakout right there. The triangle. Alright, let it break out. Alright, si MPI. Bago nyo pasukin. Malakas na resistance kasi. As for MPI, that's for Alexis Lopez, Mark Hill, Orozca. Pwede po ba pasiblip si Vulcan, Sir Lloyd? Let's check it out. Vulcan. Alright, Vulcan. Have a feeling na bababa ito. Why? There's volume's not kicking up. Actually, overall, napakamahal kasi ni Vulcan. That's the reason why I don't like it. Pero there's a big support right there. At the very least, it's stabilizing. Okay? So, kung makapasok kayo sa support, that's gonna be your entry. Pero strict trading lang po ito, ha? Please make your cut loss dito. Right, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Watching here from Albay. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. Mil Sereno. Right, sir, kamusta ang dito and MMC dito? Nakahit na naman ng resistance kaya bumagsak kanina. So, if you ever wanna get in dito, let it break out lang muna. As for dito, si MM naman, parehas ng ginagalaw tong dalawang to eh. Right, let it break out also from there, si MM. Paulo David, Dexter Lloyd, what is the best habit to succeed in trading? Best habit to succeed in trading, I would say, as a newbie, pinaka-importante po is you have to understand that trading is not easy. Right? Huwag po lalaki yung ulo nyo pag nakachamba kayo ganito, ganyan. And it will take time for you to learn trading. You will have to go through so much losses. Right? So many losses. At the very least, yan yung dinaanan ko. Sa inyo, at least meron ng mga nag-guide sa inyo. Sa amin dati, wala pa gaano. Right? So, we had to lose money to learn. Ngayon, marami na. Meron ng copy trading, meron ng bot trading. So, at the very least, while you're learning, hindi nyo kailangan itaya ang pera ninyo sa na kayo mismo mag-trade. Right? At the very least, kung i-copy trade ninyo or i-bot trade ninyo, risks are neutral. Right? Neutral lang yung risk. What do I mean by neutral risk lang? Is because if you're a newbie, being a newbie is also a risk and it will add up to the natural risk of trading, right? So, you have to understand na best practice is huwag nyo munang i-trade ang totoong pera ninyo. Be patient enough until na sa tingin nyo okay na yung trading skills ninyo. Have you tried your trading already in a practice trade, right? Virtual account, if mapalago nyo yung virtual account nyo, and that means you're already good. Then start putting money into your skill, right? So that's my biggest recommendation as a trader. Huwag magmadali sa gains. Please do not do that, right? Because trading is just gonna disappoint you. Rowena Villa, may gabi. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. This is from Espres Sanyagan. Bounce na ba si Meg? Let's check out Meg kung bounce na ba siya. Yeah. Actually, overall, mura pa si Meg. Ang masasabi ko kay Meg is, while andito pa tayo sa 3 piso, try to accumulate it already. Pinakamaganda accumulation is 2.70. Pero accumulation period na ito, maganda na ito kay Meg actually. Hindi natin kasi alam kung bababa pa yan. So, right about now, this is the best entry right here. Pullbacks, bounce, pullback, bounce. That's already a good pullback for you to get in. I would say Meg is already good for also. Sir Lloyd, ano pong opinion nyo kay Monde for long term? Actually, okay naman si Monde for long term. It's been a solid company. Kaya nag-recover kaagad si Monde for after how many days. It's a good company, I would say. Yeah. There's good potential for long term para kay Monde. Yeah, even the foreigners are buying it. Fundamentally, Monde is good. Okay? So, I could say pwede siyang pang long term. Romeline Bonayos, Sir Lloyd, pacheck po si MG and FGen. Millennium Global. Oh, good breakout right here. Let it pull back and bounce before you wanna get in. And FGen also, ganda na ng rally. Nag-attempt mag-breakout si FGen kanina ha. So that's good. If the breakout sustains this time, breakout strategy for FGen. Okay. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay Naked and Bionano. I'm still holding on to my Naked na position because I think it will still go up. Let's pull up the chart for Naked. Pro charts. Naked. Right? So, that's the bounce for Naked. Basically, that's your buy signal for Naked. I would say it's already a buy, right? It's still on a rally. Tignan ko lang if ever itong resistance na ito, anong gagawin niya. Because I'm gonna be selling my position kay Naked if ever pumula siya sa resistance. Pero medyo nakalipad na si Naked. I've been calling out Naked dito pa sa support. Sabi ko sa inyo, pasukin nyo na yan. Naked is already up, right up there. Medyo mataas na si Naked. That's what I can say, really. Right? Bionano also, BNGO. I have my Bionano still. Medyo okay pa naman yung position niya. Gap up yesterday. Breakout siya. I would say, yes, breakout si Bionano. Dito ko pinambili sa inyo. Sabi ko sa inyo, bodegahin nyo na yan. Taas na ni Bionano. So, isa yan sa mga nakapagpalipad sa akin sa portfolio ko. Bionano, I'm up 81% already on my Bionano position. So, that's good. At the very least, ang lakas ng rally niya. I don't want you to go chasing it. Mas maganda susunod na pullback and bounce before you wanna get in Bionano. Right? Huwag na kayo maingit dyan. Sobrang taas na yan. Right. Insights po kay FES, PHES po. Let's check out PHES. Huwag na kayo maingit sa Bionano. Tagal ko nang pinabodega yan sa baba. FES naman, we talked about FES. If it does a breakout, that's a buy. And it did break out. Medyo malakas nga lang yung breakout niya kanina. 9.09%. So, this is the support. Hopefully, you can get in your support. The nearest to support sa kanyo pasukin. Pero, strictly for trading to ha. So, you have to be really strict with your trade. Baka mag-pull back and bounce, right? Near the support sa kanyo pasukin. Strictly for trading since overpriced na si FES for me. As a company, okay? Tapos naman kay FES, Carlo Maligmat. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. WDC, please. Let's check out WDC. Alright, WDC. May resistance, pre. So, it's a sell right here. I would say it's already selling. People are already selling. And nasa taas po yan. Right, that's been very high already. So, if ever mag-breakout, then with volume like this one right here, when it did the breakout right there, it was with volume, that would be a good signal. Pero lakas na resistance. Kung mag-breakout man yan, pa-breakoutin lang muna natin for WDC. And partida, good evening, Renato Dolor, Mac, Sir Lloyd, please. Si Mac naman. Ayan, nagpo-pull back na. Si Mac, matagal ko na pinabodega rin ito sa inyo eh. Si Mac, nagpo-pull back. Let it bounce before you wanna get in kay Mac. Right. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Insights niyo po kay DMC. God bless always, you too, and your family. Let's check out DMC. Taas na DMC, man. I do not recommend DMC anymore. Kahit na pwede pa yung mag-pull back and bounce, I do not recommend it anymore since mataas na po yan. We're hitting resistance levels already. So I can't recommend DMC anymore. And look at that. Andun na tayo sa mataas na RSI. Right? It's already too high up there, man. Stay away from it. Sir Piton po sa international. Piton. Peloton Interactive Incorporation. So I don't know this company, but let's check out the technical analysis. Ooh, ganda. MA20 bounce right there. That's the buy right there, man. Get in here and aim at 20 as much as you can. That's your bounce signal. You can get in already. Good find for Piton. Make sure this is a good company, ha. Please do your part sa research nyo. Okay? This is for Arturo Tejero. Jessica Nang, sir, nakapag-deposit na ako sa XM before pa ng promo. Pwede i-withdraw muna yung funds then deposit ulit to avail the promo. Yes, you can do that for Jessica Nang. Sayang, no? I remember your message kasi, di ba? It was before the promo. So, Yeah, you can withdraw it and you technically you can do that. Kaya Mark sir, tama po ba since 30 credit na ako sa XM, 235 na lang need ko to top up kasi may 100% bonus. Total po is 500. Pwede na po bang mag-start sa bot? 235. Kailan ka nag-fund ng 200? Yeah, if ever you already have funds, since may 30 credit na ako sa exam, 235 na lang. Yeah. Right. Jojo, good evening. Sir Lord and everyone watching from Singapore and shared na yung live. Pwede po pasilip si Boxel. Definitely, man. Thank you for sharing the live. Sa mga hindi pa nang share dyan, pakishare po. Boxel! Alright, Boxlight Corporation. Ang problema ko yung Boxlight, meron tayong malakas na resistance at this area at nakaangat na siya. Ganda ng breakout strategy dito. That would have been the best entry right now. Right now, man, we're nearing resistance levels already. We're nearing toppish RSIs. I don't like that trade anymore, right? I'm gonna be applying, medyo may bias talaga with my trading system. You know my trading system. I'm a position trader. Usually, ito yung mga entries ko. Right? Those are not my kind of entries. So, pasensya na if ever nababias ko with my technical analysis. But yeah, man. Resistance is already very near, so I can't recommend that anymore. Sir, pasilip si BSC and Tech. This is from Rian Buendia. BSC. Right, if ever makapasok kayo sa support, pumupula naman siya ngayon. If ever makapasok kayo sa support, test it out. Right? BSC for trading. Strictly for trading. Medyo mataas si BSC kung gusto nyo pasukin yan. Tech. And Sir Tech naman, nagpo-pull back. I think magbabounce na to next. Pag nag-bounce yan, I would say that's already a good entry right there. Look at this RSI. Very beautiful climb right here. So meaning nagsastabilize na yung selling niya at buying. So next bounce for Tech, I would say it's already okay. Sir Lord, Google and VSTO po pa-check and taas na kasi. Yes, Google is medyo mataas na. So I can't recommend Google anymore. One thing I can recommend kay Google is if ever it goes down, buy some. Minsan lang kasi yan bumabagsak. Pagkatapos ng rally niya, nagsa-sideways lang. Nakita nyo yan. Minsan lang yan bumabagsak si Google. Very good company to go for long term. So whenever it goes down, you buy some. Ngayon, nasa resistance na tayo. Bearish na yung pinapakita ni Google. So I cannot recommend it anymore. If ever, kahit pa umakyat yan, I can't recommend that. Basing on my trading system. VSTO. Right. VSTO. Anong company to? Vista Outdoors Incorporated. You're right, man. Masyado mataas na to. So, I really want to look for massive pullbacks like this one instead of rallies na nasa taas. I don't like rallies na nasa taas na. Okay? VSTO, konti ingat naman. I don't like that trade anymore. Sheila San Diego, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pa-check pa si BDO. AC po, salamat. Si BDO, pag nag-breakout yung kahapon yung signal natin di ba? Nag-breakout ba si BDO? Wala. Okay, so mukhang magbe-breakout. Nag-attempt mag-breakout kanina, kaso nga lang, resistance na siya. So wait for it to break out lang muna. Ayala Corp though, is looking well. I think I would say yes, buy this one already. Kung hindi na itong babagsak si Ayala Corp pa. Sobrang lakas ng rally. This is the support, man. That's your best entry that's for Sheila. CPG from Laura. CPG. Kamusta kayo dyan sa mga nanonood natin sa YouTube? Dadaanan natin kayo in a bit. Right, in a bit. Sir Lloyd, CPG. Alright, CPG. Resistance is right there. I think magba-break out to. When it breaks out tomorrow, yeah, you can get in that one. Sir, kailan labas ng course niyo po sa StocksEd? Piolo Cortez. Yun nga Hindi pa lumalabas, hindi pa kami tapos. Medyo we're still in production. But if you wanna get my courses on demand, punta lang kayo sa Patreon ko, right? Patreon.com/elbazar. More or less parehas lang naman yun. Oh, baliktad yung daliri ko. There. Patreon.com/elbazar. Yan. If ever you want access to this already. If ever gusto niyo matutunan paano kong ginagawa ang trades ko, you wanna learn how I do this. Basically, ito yung na-apply ko sa eToro on all my trades. even on my recommendation to you guys, that's why we're hitting it. It's because I'm using my trading plan, right? If you want to learn how I do my trades, check out this video. Go to patreon.com/elbazar. There is an option there where you can get access to my courses. It's my previous webinar, so it's still very good also. So please do. Alright. Tsaka malaking tulong po yan if ever magdo-donate kayo dyan. Hindi po papunta sa akin yan. If you wanna help me with my projects ko po is hindi for pera. Actually, yung mga projects ko is for charity. I'm helping a few kids right now here sa Cebu. Very talented individuals na walang ganong suporta. So I'm the one supporting them in their endeavors. So it will go directly to the charity things that we are doing. Hindi po papunta sa akin. So go to patreon.com/elbazar if you want to get access to my courses. Please do, right? Hopefully, mag-avail kayo. Alright, going back to the screen. Sir, si JFC from Jason Ignacio. JFC, nag-rally kanina pero mas maganda pala if si JFC mag-pullback. Antayin na lang natin yung pullback. Medyo nakalipad yung bubuyog eh. Hindi natinag sa towel na Chicken Joy. GFC. Pullback and bounce hurt GFC. TBGI and green po. Let's check out TBGI. TBGI. Ay. Mahirap to. Previous resistance right here. Umabot siya dito pero medyo it's a mix of both. Mix of both signals. If it breaks out from this triangle pattern, ayan po. Right. Pwede nyo pong pasukin yan. Green po. Green. Sir, do you have episode po kayo for sector rotation? Paslight din po Intel, AMD. From Piolo Cortez, I'm gonna write this down. Maganda nito eh. Maganda mag-discuss nito si Arnel. Si Arnel lang kasi is kakasal pa. So medyo hindi pa nakakasali sa atin si Kapayamang Arnel. Gonna write this down. O nga pala. Right. If ever hindi pa kayo nagjo-join sa si green, ang ganda. If ever hindi pa kayo nagjo-join sa bot trading, what are you waiting for? Sayang yung promotion ni XM right now. Hanggang June 30 lang yon. Double your investment. Technically, pag mag-fund kayo ng $500 hanggang $500, idodoble ni XM. So, you will now have exposure of $1,000. So, mas malaking kikitain nyo. Sayang naman po yun. It's bot trading. Marami mo na po nagdo-bot trading dito ngayon na nanonood. They're already earning. Right? So, hopefully you join also. Sayang naman. Right? Sayang yung promo. Sayang yung opportunity to start earning in bot trading while nag-aaral kayo. Right? So, andyan po sa video description yung registration ng bot trading. Okay? Screen. Ayan. Green or G. That's a buy right there. As a downtrend line, actually, dito pa lang buy na. Sabi ko sa inyo, the next green is already buy. Sabi ko kahapon, and that's already right there with volume right there. So, it's a buy for green or G. If there's something I can recommend today, it's a green po. Alright. Alright, Sheila, sir, si Ali po ulit. Let's check out Ali. Ayala Land Incorporated. Problema ko kay Ali, nakalipad na eh. Right? Ang ganda ng position dito. This was the time na sabi ko sa inyo, it's time to go for planting seeds before lumipad yung mga stocks ninyo. Ngayon lumipad na, hindi nyo pa napapasok. So, Ali showing weakness on the rally right now. Pero, there's a flag pattern right there. Let it break out. Then, bukas, pwede nyo papasukin si Ali. So nga lang, trade na lang yan na konting ingat na medyo nakalipad na si Ali. Mahirap na kasi ito pag ganito nakalipad na eh. Right? It's already way up there. My trading system will tell you na dito tayo pumasok. Not really fond of chasing things up there. Why? Because mas malaki na po ang chances na maipit kayo dyan kaysa dito. Right? Sir Lloyd, alam mo ba yung Payeer? May Bitcoin kasi ako doon. Napabayaan ko lang. Gusto ko sana i-transfer sa Binance. Kaso ang hirap i-figure out ng app. Sadly, no. Right, try to get in. Usually, if ever wallet naman yan, madali lang naman mag-transfer ng funds ng Bitcoin. Right? If not, try to contact their support man. Hopefully, makuha nyo pa. Congratulations sa Bitcoin nyo, pero medyo bearish yung Bitcoin ngayon. Right? That's the reason why I've been telling you, iwas muna kay Bitcoin. Laki ng bagsak ni Bitcoin. BTC USD. Nag-negative siya kanina. Yan. We're already in bearish levels for Bitcoin. So I think it's still gonna drop. Buti na lang nasabihan ko kayo ng ilang beses noon na wag nang pasukin si Bitcoin. Right? So it's looking bearish. I think it's still gonna drop. Okay? So stay away from it for now. Sayang, kailangan mo na kunin yun, Jara, Haka, before bumagsak. Alright, let's go. Jojo, sir, last na lang po, LMND, Lemonade. Lemonade Inc. Resistance is right here. It's trying to break out right now. With the late volume of Lemonade, I think it's gonna break out. So, breakout strategy tayo kay Lemonade. Alright. Sir, GMA7. Masyadong mataas na po si GMA7. The very least, wait for it to do a pullback. Masyadong mataas na po yan. Look at the RSI. Those are now no buy zones. No buy zone na po yan. Si RSI na yan. So, konting ingat po. Okay? Take care at that position. Jojo, I will that bot trading sir soon. Definitely subukan niyo po. Sayang, right? Ang minsan lang si XM mag-double your investment promo. So sayang. Yeah, but don't worry. Even in the future, wag niyo naman po pilitin, right? Wag niyo pilitin mag-invest. Again, you invest money you can afford to lose. If wala pa, then don't force it, okay? Right, wag kayong ma-FOMO. Alright, so let's go to YouTube. Nabasa natin lahat ng comments dito sa Facebook. Dan Agbanlog. Sir Lloyd, insights po kay DMC. God bless always. We covered DMC earlier. Medyo taas na DMC, man. I can't recommend DMC anymore. Right? Medyo nakalipad na siya. But nonetheless, it did break out right there. So, gusto nyo i-trade ito. Today's the best time to buy. Okay? Nag-pull back ng konti, nag-bounce, but that's momentum for you. Yeah, it's strictly for trading, and that's a buy right there. You have your support right there. Ito yung problema. Nakalipad na naman to eh. So, DMCI, that's a buy right there. Good morning, Kevin Hawthorne. My loves, Subaru season po ba? Ano ba yung Subaru season? I'm not really sure what Subaru season is. Is it the Subaru stock? Nasdaq? Is it season for Subaru? Hirap ng stock na to ah. Hirap ng asset na to. JBG insights po kay DD and VLL, Sir Lloyd. Let's check it out. Double Dragon. Ay. Maganda. Next buy of the next bounce of DD should be a good test right here. Maganda i-trade to since low risk and napakababa ng presyo. Look at that. Pandemic levels. Next green kay DD. I like this trade. Next green kay DD is gonna be a good buy. Right? VLL. Nagko-consolidate. Actually, may support na tayo dyan. Yeah, short-term support is right there for VLL. That's a buy for me. Right, that's for JBG. Maayong gabi, Sir Lord, from Kirbytes Tiburcio. Paolo Salviejo. Alright. Sir, paano po mag-enroll sa mentorship mo? Alright, for my mentorship, you can access it here sa patreon.com/elbazar. May option po dyan for you can get access to my webinar, right? That's basically my mentorship right there. So, yeah. Sir, good insight. Good evening insights po kay Meg. We covered Meg earlier, did we? Let's go to the screen, share screen. Yeah, we covered Meg already earlier. Ito naman kasi ang hirap ng position ni Meg. Actually, for me, it's already a buy. Pero it's a hard buy right here. I've been recommending Meg dito pa sa support. Even the breakout is the best entry. If I was trading this was the best entry point. Right? Medyo tricky na kasi ang mga positions dito. But yeah, short-term support natin. I mean, trend line natin dito. That's gonna be your buy right there. So for Meg. That's what we get for getting in late kasi it's gonna be very challenging positions, right? So whenever your trading conditions are already met, dapat pinapasok na natin to. Look at this breakout with volume. That was definitely a buy right there for Meg. Okay, Mitz. Sir Lloyd, naka-register na po ako with the bot. Ready to fund and pay VPS. Can you walk us through how to start the trading? Anong gagawin upon reaching MT4? Baka magkamali po ako. Don't worry. Right? Once you already sent the screenshot of the MT4, you will have an onboarding session with our admins sa bot, right? I-walk through kayo anong gagawin. The bot installation, you download your MT4 on the phone, and then makikita nyo lang doon with the Telegram na nag-open ang bot ng position. You open your account, MT4 account, makikita nyo doon na may position. Madali lang siya actually. So just wait for the contact of the admins. This is for Mitz. Jao CM, update lang po sa M-Wide. Thanks. Right, si M-Wide is already, yan, nadaanan natin to kanina. That's a buy right there. Pull back and bounce. Alright, that's already good for M-Wide. Paolo Salvio, sir, can you explain quickly yung bot trading? Alright, sure. Basically, yung bot trading is yung trading system namin, yung mga trading signals namin, how we buy, how we trade, we programmed it to a bot, right? Si XM kasi may mga bot, may bot capabilities where yung mga trading system mo, i-program mo lang sa bot, yun yung hahanapin niya. So now, if we already have the bot, we can automate the trade. Ang kagandahan po ng bot is 24/5 po ang trading niya. Nababantayan niya ang mga trading signals 24/5. So kahit tulog po kayo, pag meron pong buy signal mag-manifest, bibilin ni bot, right? So basically, it's technically automated trading already 24/5, right? So para rin siyang copy trading na wala na kayong iisipin. I'm into copy trading, I am into bot trading also. Advantages ni copy trading is tao mismo ang nagdadala. So, well-managed naman yung funds tulad ng sa eToro ko. Maraming nagkokopya sa akin. So, well-managed naman, di ba? And then, ang bot naman, ang advantage naman ni bot is wala siyang emotion. If it's a buy signal, if it sees that the parameters that we set, volume, etc., support, etc., it's proprietary. Hindi namin sasabihin sa inyo yung technicals talaga. If ever may makita siya, it will buy automatically. And then kami sa bot admins is sometimes kami mismo hindi pa nakikita. Ang problema naman kasi ni bot is wala siyang emotion. So hindi niya tinitingnan yung chart kung may weakness na. Right, yung target profit niya kasi if ever ma-open niya na yung ma-open niya na yung position. Ang ganda ng mga openings ng bot, ang ganda ng mga openings niya. Ang problema niya is the selling. Right, kasi ang selling lang is you set your target profit. Minsan, yung target profit hindi na yung hit and nagpo-pull back yung position, nawawala. Right? So, we in the Telegram admins, sinasabi namin yun, guys, pwede nyo i-take profit itong position na ito. So, you can manually close it on your phone. Right? But technically, bot trading is like copy trading, automatic trading po. Try it out. Right? Try it with small amounts na muna. Kung magustuhan nyo in the future, dagdagan nyo. Right? Yung minimum po is $500. Now, with XM's promo, kung masakit sa inyong $500, that's 25,000 pesos. 25K is 25K, malaki rin yan. May promo sa XM na yun ngayon na double your investment, di ba? So, pag nag-double yung investment nyo, meaning kung magkano yung ilalagay nyo, dodoblehin ni XM hanggang $500. So, kung $500 ilalagay nyo, dodoblehin niya, maging $1,000 yung loob ng XM mo. So, you, at least, pwede na kayo sa $1,000 na exposure. But if you wanna start small, since may double siya ngayon, so you can start with $250, the double 500 na, you can already start with the bot. So that's bot trading. If you want to join bot trading, andyan po sa video description. right? Yung instructions how to, yung link po, once you click that, andun po yung instructions. Please, it's important to follow the instructions. Then we can go for the onboarding once masabit yun na po lahat. Hi sir, ano po average performance ng EA trend follower nyo? Weekly, iba-iba naman eh. Pero we've already hit 50% for the month of last month. 50% po yung nag-gain niya. Right? But previous month's performance is not hindi po yan ibig sabihin na ganoon na yung performance in the future. We're still running for the month of June, and weekly naman. Yung weekly kasi yung inaano namin eh. Weekly kasi yung minomonitor talaga namin. Nasa 19 to 20% siya last week. Okay. Hi sir, ano po yung average? ML Lyrics, good evening Sir Lloyd. Ano sa tingin nyo? If you wanna know more about the bot, ganito na lang. We have a video. Tingnan nyo po yung mga past episodes natin about bot trading. Dito rin sa YouTube, meron din ako. Right? Joshua Reyes, sir, ano po average? Ano, nabasa na natin. M Lyrics, good evening Sir Lloyd. Ano tingin nyo sa EVFM? Let's check out EVFM. If you wanna know about it, wag niyo po doon po sa page ko, Financial Freedom 101. Ang ganda nito Good volume right there. That's a buy, my friend. Bilhin niyo na to. Good find, EvoFem. Just make sure this is a good company but the volume should let you know that's already very good, man. If gusto niyo magtanong sa akin about the bot, send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101. What's the stock said? Joshua Reyes, sir, ano po ang average? Nabasa natin to. Joshua, ilang percentage po average ng DD? Average DD ng bot. Good evening, sir. Lloyd, pa-check naman po. Plug and Edu. Thanks. Let's check out Plug. Plug. Right, so Plug. Ganda, man. Trend lines right here. Kahapon. Di ba sinabi ko kay Plug kahapon, buy na to? If napasok niya yan, man, that's already very good. You can still get in, I believe so. Okay pa yan. Next po kay Plug is Edu. EDU. Alright, si Edu, lumalaki ng volume. I'm not really sure what's causing the downtrend, right? Make sure this is a good company first before you wanna trade this. Pero, definitely it's looking well. RSI is doing okay na naman yung RSI niya. Yeah, technically speaking, maganda yung bounces ni Edu But make sure this is a good company Alright? Liza, para sa good evening Sir Lloyd. Pwede pa-check ng vlog Edu. Alright, tapos na tayo. For YouTube, let's go back to Facebook. Time check, it's 8:49. Bilisan ko lang to. So what can you say about Lux Algo Indicator from Kelmike? Not really familiar with Lux Algo Indicator. So, can't really comment about it. Sir, good evening. Pwede kay East West EW. Let's check it out. Right, ubusin lang natin yung oras natin. East West, good rally right here. Next bounce. Tingnan natin. Mukhang nagsusupport dito si East West. Mukhang okay na si East West Pasilip si AP. Aboitis Power. Si Aboitis Power, may buy signals na tayo dito on the breakout. So, yeah. So, pa-breakoutin nyo lang po si AP before you wanna get in. Alright, so, I hope natulungan ko kayo this evening. Right? Nasagot natin yung mga tanong niyo lahat. Don't forget, if you wanna learn how I trade yung webinar ko, you can access it here sa patreon.com/albazar. May option dyan to for accessing it. If ever gusto niyo lang mag-donate sa akin, pa-burger nyo, kasi alam ko marami nakita, malaki-laki nakita nyo ngayon. So if you wanna donate also, go to patreon.com/albazar It will not go to me. It will go to the kids that I am helping right now. Stockset.com. Visit Stockset.com. Meron tayong mga free courses sa inyo dyan sa Stockset.com. Please go through it if you're still a newbie. It will be a very good foundation sa inyo, sa knowledge niyo, understanding the markets. If you want to up your knowledge, meron tayong mga paid courses dyan. Should you want to get it, use this code LBazaar to get the discount. Alright, that's gonna be it for me this evening. I'll see you once again tomorrow. Good evening, sir. How about ASEN po? May pag-asa po ba mga huwag tayong umasa? Last na natin to sa ASEN, right, before I do the closing. May pag-asa pa ba umangat? I can't say. There should be a chance for it to go up here. Pero medyo sabi ko sa inyo, wag nyo na pasukin eh. Kasi mukhang bearish na, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo kahapon dito, itong mukhang magpo-pull back. Trend line or breakout for ASEN. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you once again tomorrow for the more daily grind. Don't forget yung bot trading. Andyan po yung video description, yung link for registration should you want to join it. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Enjoy the rest of the evening.